So, have you heard about this new secure messaging system called coverdrop? It's designed just for newsreader apps, and it's pretty mind-blowing.
No way. What makes it so different from other messaging apps? I mean, secure messaging is everywhere these days.
Right? But coverdrop does this wild thing where it lets users contact journalists without leaving a trace. Like they can communicate confidentially.
That's fascinating. How does it manage to do that? Do they use some kind of encryption?
Absolutely. It has this module within the regular news apps, plus a whole cloud-based API. It's all about making everything look the same. Secure messages blend with regular traffic.
Okay, but I'm trying to wrap my head around that. So when a source writes to a journalist, how does the journalist even know it's for them?
Oh, here's where it gets really interesting. Each message gets encrypted with the journalist's public key, which makes it look identical to those routine cover messages.
Wait, seriously? So if someone's watching the network, they wouldn't even know a real message is going through? That's like something out of a spy movie.
Exactly. Plus, they send these cover messages filled with meaningless data to keep the real ones camouflaged.
That gives me chills. So they create this whole environment where you literally can't tell what's what. That's some next-level invisibility.
Right? And journalists receive these dead drops that mix real and fake messages to maintain uniform size. It's genius.
Wow. So if the wrong person gets their hands on a device, there's no trace of secret communication. Just a regular-looking app. That's wild.
Right? And every time they send messages, it's the same timing and size. I mean, they really thought of everything.
But how do they manage the encryption keys? Does the journalist have to handle that, or is it more automated?
Great question. Each journalist and source rotates their keys automatically through an identity API, so it's secure without a hassle.
Okay, that's actually kind of reassuring. It sounds like they really considered user safety.
Definitely. And they even invite security researchers to report bugs. I mean, how many tech firms encourage that kind of transparency?
It's refreshing, so they invite collaboration to keep improving. I'm curious, though, what about the encryption laws?
Ah, yes. They have a whole notice about the laws surrounding cryptographic software. It's necessary, but every country allows encryption.
That's wild. So users must be aware of the legal implications before diving into using coverdrop? It's an important detail.
Exactly. And they ensure users check their local laws before using any part of the system. It's smart.
But imagine the potential for really important stories getting through, especially in places with strict censorship.
Totally. It could revolutionize how journalists interact with sources in high-risk countries. That's a game changer.
I never thought about it that way. It really is a powerful tool. But I'm curious, how does it maintain anonymity on the network?
Great point. The system is designed to mask the identities, making it hard for network observers to trace the communication.
That really packs a punch. So it not only hides messages, but also protects people involved. I love it.
And think about the implications for freedom of speech. If people feel safe relaying information, the potential is immense.
Exactly. You're right. This could empower whistleblowers and expose corruption in ways we've never seen before.
Totally. But what do you think about the balance between security and usability? Can they always coexist?
That's a challenge, isn't it? Security often comes with added complexity, but if coverdrop pulls it off, that sets a benchmark.
You're onto something. If it can balance ease of use with cutting-edge security, that could shift the landscape.
And in a way, it's a lesson in thinking outside the box, right? Not just about building something secure, but usable too.
Exactly. Wait, let's think about this. If we put all this together, does it inspire other apps to prioritize user anonymity?
Oh, for sure. It's like a wake-up call for every app out there. Privacy should be central, not just an afterthought.
I love that perspective. And it raises another question. What responsibilities do tech companies have in safeguarding users?
Definitely. As we entrust them with our info, they have to create environments that protect us, rather than exploit us.
That's a massive conversation. And it's one we need to keep having as technology evolves, don't you think?
For sure. And with systems like coverdrop leading the way, I can only hope it inspires a shift across the board.
Absolutely. It's a pivotal moment for technology and ethics, and I can't wait to see what comes next.
I know, right? May we continue pushing for better, safer communication in journalism and beyond.
Definitely. This conversation has blown my mind and inspired so many thoughts for what's coming in the tech world.
Me too. It's a powerful reminder that innovation can pave the way for a more transparent, connected society.
So true. And it leaves us pondering how we can all contribute to a safer digital future, right?
Exactly. Can't wait to see where this all leads. Let's keep the conversation alive.